How to change bio on Threads. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Threads app. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page. And from there, click on the option that says Edit Profile at the top left. Once you are here, click on Bio. Now, there are two options that you can use in order to change your bio on the Threads app. The first one is to manually add your bio in the box. Say, for example, just like this. And the second option is to import your bio from Instagram by clicking the button at the bottom. And once you do that, you will get this confirmation box in which you want to click OK. And after that, your Instagram bio will be imported to your Threads account bio. Now, once you have edited your bio, you will need to click on the Save button at the top right corner, the check mark one. And as soon as you do that, your bio will be changed on your Threads account, as you can see. It's very easy and simple process. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change and edit your Threads account bio. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.